Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you can get all the updating videos. Okay, in this video we will see that how product section work in Shopify admin. So in the product we have an option of add products and find products. So if you don't have any product, you can simply click on add product, or also you can import product if you already have a CSV or XLS file with you. So for that you can simply add a file here. The file format should be like this. We are downloading the sample file here. So here is the file format. You can see if we look into this file, in this file we have an option of handle. Handle means the URL of product. Like if you are in Shopify, we will see it later what is product handle. There must be a product handle. There must be a title of product. There must be a description that is called body, a vendor name, and a standardized product type. And then we have other options like custom product type. We have tags option in this file. We have published like true. If it's true, then it will be active and published. If it's false, then it will be a drop. And then we have option number 1, like we have multiple options in this file. Option 1, value. Then we have option 2, name. Option 2, value. Then we have variant SKU, variant grams, variant in inventory tracker. We have variant inventory policy. We have variant fulfillment service. We have variant price. We have variant compared price. We have variant required shipping, variant taxable, variant barcode. We have image source of the product image. We have image alt text. We have gift card. We have SEO title. We have SEO description. We have SEO shopping, Google product care. Google product category. We have Google shopping gender. We have Google shopping age group. We have Google shopping MPN. We have Google shopping AdWords grouping. We have Google shopping AdWords labels. We have Google shopping condition. We have Google shopping custom product. We have Google shopping custom label. We have Google shopping custom label 1. Like all the sales channel options are also available in this import CSV file. We will see it later once we will be adding the product or importing. We have already created a video of how to import products in bulk in Shopify products from eBay, Etsy, Walmart, Amazon, or any other platform like WordPress or Squarespace, BigCommerce, OpenCart, PrestaShop, Magento. So you can have a look at that video in our channel. Okay, in the product section you can add products. After clicking on add product here, you will see the option. Like here we can write product title. You can write a description. Like here you can write product description. Just like this, we are making a demo description here, right? So you can make this active from here. After publishing, it would be active, and you can also, if you want to publish it on the same time on other sales channels, you can also make it enable from here. From here you can add a media like a product image. That can be any image of your product, just like this. We have added one image, and then you can edit the alt text here by clicking on the image you have just uploaded. We will do it later. Then you can give a product type, right? You can add vendor. You can make a collection of your own, like multiple products in one collection. It acts as a category. Here in Shopify we call it collection. Okay, we have one collection here, homepage. Then you can give it tags like test product. This will be tagged to this. Like if you are making shoes, you are making white shoes or something, you can categorize according to tag. Tag is very helpful in creating automatic collections in Shopify. So here comes the price option. The price is, we will set it $20. The compare rate price is the price before discount. So it will be showing like there will be cross on 40 and the original price is 20. You can also charge tax or uncharge the tax on the product. And here you can write the original price like 15. It will be used for your own purpose to calculate the margin and profit. Inventory, you can make it any, like black, large, size 1. Just you can make it for your own ease. And then barcode, you can make barcodes. You can also check this. It will be also, you will also getting the orders even if it's out of stock. And then you can also create location name, just like this. You can make how many products are available on the location, and then shipping, and then weight. You can also give the weight in pounds, oz, kgs and grams. Like we are making it 5. We can make it like 50. And then we have an option of select country, region of origin. You can make it your here you can select any origin where you have your warehouse, from where your shipping is going to start. And then this is harmonized system HS code, mostly used when you are doing cross-border shipping. So you can obtain from it from customs. And then there is option, if you have variants for your product, you can check this one. You can give variants like size, and then you can give options to it like small, like medium, and then large. It will create 3 into like these variants will be available for this one product. If you add another option here like color, the color is available like black and white, then you will see that you will have more than 6, like 2 multiplied by these 3 options, 6 variants will be available. And then we have here option of SEO in Shopify. It's very good. Like here in Titles, the recommended size of characters in titles are 12, between 12 and 70. And then you have description option here. You can make it proper keywords for your product, high searching keywords with low competition, so you can rank your product organically in search engines. And here this is called URL handle. We have seen in the CSV file in the beginning, so I was talking about that. I will tell you later. So this is the product handle of this product. So after doing all these things, don't forget to save this. When we will save it, you will see that our product is published and it's added to our products. So if you go to your store, you can preview it just like this. Once you will preview it, it will be showing like this. Here is the image, here is the title, the vendor, the compared price, and then size, variant, another variant, then quantity like 1 2 3, and then add to cart button, buy it now, description, then materials, shipping. You can also add these if you want. We'll further look into other sections of Shopify step by step. We reached at products in this playlist. If you wanna get more videos of all these things available here in Shopify admins, we will look one by one of all the options available in Shopify store development. Please do subscribe the channel and like the video for upcoming videos and get updated. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.